To clean upholstery, first vacuum it using a fabric vacuum attachment. Then, check the care tag on the upholstery to see what kind of cleaner you can use on it. A W on the tag means you should use water only. WS means you can use water or cleaning solvents. S means you should just use a cleaning solvent. And X means you can only vacuum and brush the upholstery. For W upholstery, use a damp cloth to wipe down any dirty areas on the fabric. You can also use a handheld steamer. For S upholstery, treat dirty areas with a fabric cleaning spray. Then, vacuum the upholstery a second time and let the fabric air dry. You can also spray the upholstery with an antibacterial fabric spray to get rid of germs and odors. To clean leather upholstery, first mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Mist any dirty portions of the leather with the mixture. Then wipe the leather down with a microfiber cloth. Finally, wipe the leather down with a dry cloth to remove any excess moisture.